feel like rain in the morning. Hey y'all, what's up? So anyway, I just did this install with OQ hair, and I gotta say, I love it. I'm feeling it.
Subscribe, follow, share.
It's definitely giving slay to perfection.
Yeah, let's get into it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Like, baby, listen. It's time for me to change my doo-wop, but you already know what time it is. You feel me? Because, baby, time is here. Let's see what they got for you, girl. Okay, okay, girl, coming through with the boom. Yeah, so anyway, you know I did it. I don't know if y'all gonna be ready for this one, though. Like, y'all might not, but, baby, when I say 24-inch, 250 density, baby. Deep wave. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into it. Anyway, and you know how they come through for the boom. They gave me the HD 2 cap. They were stingy though. They didn't give it to me in other device, but you know what? It's cool. But anyway, they gave me that HD cap, so that milk gonna be the you heard some little lashes. They cute or whatever. We're gonna get back to it. You see what I look like, whatever. So anyway. When I told you I had to come back through with the bounce, because it's the bounce straight out. We not playing with y'all. Like, we is not even playing. Straight out the pack. Okay, straight out. So it's a closure. And you know what? I don't know if they gonna like me or I've been signature paint for like a long time. Like I don't know if they're gonna like me, y'all. I've been signature this since September. So anyway, the hair lasts because this is a 613 22 inch. I cut it or whatever, but it lasts. It did its thing straight or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I just woke up. It was like, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, come on, September. It's April, baby. It's April. So, I'm going to be using the hold. This. Simply don't play with it. Don't play with it. But this is better. Because when I have my blonde wigs on, you can see my hairline comes down. So, it just works. So you let it get tacky. I just like my wigs down a little bit because if you can see my little tan line from when I had my blonde wig on, baby, this tan line. So my wig used to come like right here somewhere.
Wow.
And I'm gonna wipe the excess off anyway. I just don't really know. Yeah, alright, whatever. So pretty much right here is where I get really quiet and focus on trying to get the perfect slay. And at this point you probably can't see because my arm is in the way. I'm pretty focused. And also, don't mind the excess glue on the side of my face. It's really shiny over there, but I got this. We got this. OQ hair got the girl slayed, and I can't even take my time with this. I'm getting ready to go to work, so watch me work. It's HD translucent lace that I got, and it's 24" and it's also 250 density. If the girls know, if you know, you know. The girls know. Anyway, thicker is almost better, and that's what density is, the thickness of the hair. So anything less is, you already know, really thin, really thin. So listen, this body wave, it's giving. It's really giving. Back. Hey now. Yeah. So let's see what it's giving. So honestly, I'm not really gonna cut my baby hairs or no side parts or nothing like that. I'm actually gonna enjoy the hair because I paid a lot of money for this, to just cut off pieces like that. Like, no, baby, you're gonna have some long ass baby hairs. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So right here, I'm just adding a little bit of foundation because, you know, the lace is kind of like white. Well, it's translucent, so it kind of blends, but the foundation makes it so much better. So much better. It gives it that it's your hair. You know, it's your scalp. It's real. You know what I mean? Don't forget, ladies. So it's definitely giving, baby. Yes. It's giving a vibe. It passed the vibe test. It passed the vibe test. Look at this. Look at this. Wait. Let me get that. But look at this. Like, come on. And
Oh my God. Can I sing to you? Yeah. Yours, mine, ours. I could do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers. All the shrimp and lobster towers. But it's me that
not for real, like. So I just did this install. You feel me? It's giving natural. It's giving very much natural install. Slate to Perfection by your girl. Get at me.
Storming for a couple hours. When we finish, take a shower. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours.
But I'm not, and y'all get the point. Yes, ma'am. One more time. Go get that hair. Get that shit. Beep.
You feel like rain in the morning,